Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start the video, let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Muhammad Sakir Ramadan and Aditya Saputra. This video was made to fulfill an English assignment regarding procedure text. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so my procedure text is about how to make cheese chocolate cookies. The ingredients that you need are 100 to 25 grams margarine, 125 grams powdered sugar, 1/4 tablespoon salt, 1 piece egg yolks, and next is 50 grams Belgian cheese, 300 grams low protein flour, 25 grams milk powder, and half tablespoon baking powder. And the next is 100 grams magic cheddar cheese, and the next is 100 grams milk chocolate blocks. And then the step is first make the skin, shake pork and salt butter, margarine, powdered sugar and salt using a mixer. Add egg yolks and then you beat well. After that you add grated Edam cheese. The second is add flour, milk powder and baking powder. While sieve and stirring well. After that, the third one is flatten the dough thinly, cut lengthwise, cut the cheese on the dough. After that, you need next is bake in the preheat oven at 160 degrees for 25 minutes or until cooked. After that, leave the grill. And the next one is melt the chocolate, block dip both ends of the cookies into the chocolate. Let it stand until the chocolate cools and hardens. Finally, put them on a serving plate. Your cheese chocolate cookies is ready. Okay, do you have a feedback?
Everything is good, but the ingredients is a little confusing.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, my procedure text is about how to make banana bread pudding. The ingredients is 12 seeds fruit, 2 pieces banana core, 1 gram cheddar cheese, 60 grams granite sugar, 1/4 tablespoon eggs, 1 gram salt, and 400 ml liquid milk. And the steps is first, beat eggs, salt, and powdered sugar. Enter the liquid milk little by little while stirring. Then, knead the white bread into the milk and eggs mixture as long as it is moist. Next, arrange in a lightly greased baking dish. And then, arrange the bananas on it. After that, arrange the liquid rice again for the rest of the milk mixture and sprinkle with grated cheese. Finally, bake this in Hakashima electric oven until cooked. Do you have feedback?
Yes, I do. Overall, what you have said is clear, but the step is a little bit unclear. That's all.
Okay.
Okay, that's all the video. More and less, we apologize. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.